AEVO 4-hour chart is bearish. We are trying to hold the lows and we are getting ready for a big move. Hello, welcome back to a new update. Today we're gonna talk about some different coins and we are starting with AEVO. If we'll get rejected, then my next support target is around 50 cents. And if we will manage to pump, then my first resistance target is around this pattern, which is between $1.2 to $1.3. XAI one-day chart is bearish. In the last weeks we are moving sideways and we should get a big move in the next days. We should retest the descending resistance, and if we'll get rejected, then I believe we will dump hard. But we can also start breaking up. So let's start with the downside targets. If we will get rejected, my next support target is around 50 cents. And if we will start pumping, then my first target is around $1 to $1.2. XNA one-day chart is bearish. We are getting many rejections by the EMA and big move is coming very soon. We can't keep moving in this pattern for much longer. We should get an impulsive move very soon. If we'll get rejected, then my next target is between 130 to 150,000 units. But if we'll manage to pump, then my next target is between 450 to 650,000 units. YFII one-day chart is bearish. We are getting many rejections by the EMA and I believe a big move is coming. We are still moving in this support zone, but we can get a deeper retest. So I believe if we will get rejected, my next support target is around $350. But if we will manage to pump, then we can get a pretty big pump to around 2,000 to 3,000 units. BCH one-day chart is bullish. We are holding the support and we are trying to break up. Big move is coming very soon. If we'll break down from here, then my next support target is between $250 to $280. But if we'll break up, then my next target is around $750. Notcoin 1-hour chart is bearish. We are forming a new descending resistance. Yesterday we had a fake breakout from the old pattern, but right now we are forming a better pattern. We should get a breakout in the next hours. If we'll get rejected, then my next target is around 4,500 units. And if we'll manage to pump, then my next target is between 11 to 13,000 units. PEPE2 4-hour chart is bearish. We are moving sideways after breaking up. And if we'll break up from here, I will turn bullish. We are still more bearish on the 4-hour chart, but this can change in the next hours. If we'll get rejected though, my next target is around 25 to 30,000 units. And if we'll continue to pump, then my first target is around 90k units. OMNI 4-hour chart is bearish. In the last weeks we are forming this falling wedge pattern and we should get a breakout in the next week. Right now we are testing the descending resistance And if we'll get rejected once again, then my next support target is around $10. But if we'll manage to break up, then my first target is between 20 to 25,000 units. OG one-day chart is bearish. We are getting rejected by this resistance and we should get a breakout by the end of the month. This pattern is ending. We've been through this range for the last year and we should get a breakout very soon. If we'll continue breaking down, then my next support target is between $2.5 to $3.5. But if we'll break the resistance, then my next target is around $8. PEPE2 4-hour chart is bearish. We are moving sideways after breaking up, and if we break up from here, I will turn bullish. We are still more bearish on the 4-hour chart, but this can change in the next hours. If we'll get rejected though, my next target is around 25 to 30,000 units, and if we'll continue to pump, then my first target is around 90k units. VINU one-day chart is bullish. In the last days we failed to break down and we are still holding this ascending support, so big move is coming very soon. We are still much more bullish than bearish, but we have to break this local resistance. If we'll continue to dump, then my next target is between 8 to 10k units, and if we'll manage to pump, then my next target is between 45 to 50k units. And that's gonna be it for this episode. Of course, I'm going to keep updating you with these crypto infos, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.